few years ago, I tried a case down in San Diego involving a road that was chronically flooding. Every time there was any significant amount of rain, this road would flood. And there was a history for years. The county had gone back and forth with the private landowner who owned the land adjacent to the road, and there was years of memos and meetings back and forth about what was going to be done, and nothing essentially was done. So the road would continue to flood. We represented the family of a 22-year-old Marine who was stationed down there at Camp Pendleton, who had survived a tour of duty in Iraq. She'd been in Afghanistan, and she ends up dying in San Diego County from driving down this road, encountering this flooded section of road, and then losing control of her car. That was a case. The county offered us $100,000 right before trial. Case went to trial. The jury awarded $4 million. We collected most of that. So that was certainly a nice victory.